mLIMS cart function tutorial, generated by Susan from BioInfoRx. Every section of mLIMS contains shopping car marked as selected items, such as selected cages, selected animals, or selected lab events. Once records are placed in a cart, you can update, export, etc. Use this feature to add records for later use. Here I'm going to provide 2 scenarios where you can apply cart function in your study. The first scenario, a researcher needs to take care of animals in 4 cages for today. He selected the 4 cages which the researcher is interested in. Click on Cart. After a couple of hours, 2 of the cages are finished for the work. The researchers need to step out for lunch. He select the 2 cages and click on the button Remove from Cart. He removed the 2 cages in the cart. After lunch, the researcher click on the selected cages and find the cages need to work on. After he finished the 2 cages, he can remove from the cart. The second scenario, a researcher needs to update the strain of a few animals, changing from gamma to beta. First, the researcher selected the animals that need to be updated. Click on the Cart button. Click on Selected Animal tab. The selected animals are shown. Click all of them and click on Update. Change the strain to beta. Click Submit. Review all of the selected animals and check if the strain is changed for all of the selected animals as expected. After review, the animals can be removed from the cart. If you have any questions, please contact us.